Hey, gearheads! Today, we're diving into the future of supercars with an exclusive look at Lamborghini's latest masterpiece, the Lamborghini Temerario. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. Before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in automotive news. Lamborghini's upcoming marvel, codenamed 634, is shaping up to be a game-changer. As the successor to the iconic Huracan, the Temerario boasts a striking design that screams innovation and performance. Starting at the front, the car features an edgy fascia with slim headlights and hexagonal DRLs that also function as turn signals. These elements are paired with stylish intakes and a prominent front splitter, giving the car a fierce look right from the get-go. Moving along the side, you'll notice the evolutionary greenhouse and sculpted doors designed to channel air into the angular enclosure. These features are complemented by ventilated struts, a wide center exhaust, and hexagonal taillights. The rear end is equally impressive, showcasing a simple spoiler, an aggressive diffuser, and a ventilated rear end. Inside, drivers can expect a high-tech experience with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8.4-inch infotainment system, and a 9.1-inch display for the front passenger. The cabin will likely feature sporty switchgear, angular accents, and a flat-bottom steering wheel, ensuring both style and functionality. Now, let's talk performance. Lamborghini has confirmed that the Temerario will be a high-performance electrified vehicle. It will be powered by a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 engine producing 789 horsepower and 538 lb-ft of torque. This beastly engine will be paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and a hybrid system featuring 3 electric motors. Altogether, this setup will deliver a combined output of over 888 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful cars on the road. There you have it, folks. The Lamborghini Temerario is not just a car, it's a statement of what's possible when cutting-edge design meets unparalleled performance. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its official release. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to stay in the loop with all things Lamborghini and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.